Designed financial plan can help individuals and families manage their expenses, save for important events like retirement or education, protect themselves from unexpected events through insurance, and build wealth over time through investments. Without proper financial planning, individuals may struggle with debt, overspending, and inadequate savings, which can lead to financial stress and insecurity. Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights and tips to help you achieve financial success. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. By subscribing, you'll be joining a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to improving their financial well-being. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. Here is explanation of the theory of the power of planning for financial success. The theory of the power of planning for financial success suggests that having a well-designed financial plan is a key factor in achieving financial success. The theory emphasizes that financial planning involves not only setting specific financial goals, but also creating a detailed plan of action that outlines the steps required to achieve those goals. The theory suggests that by setting clear financial goals, creating a detailed plan, and consistently following through on that plan, individuals can overcome financial obstacles and achieve long-term financial success. The theory of the power of planning for financial success also emphasizes the importance of mindset, habits, and accountability in achieving financial goals. By cultivating a positive and proactive mindset, developing positive financial habits, and holding oneself accountable for financial decisions and actions, individuals can increase their chances of achieving financial success. The theory of the power of planning for financial success is supported by research, which has shown that individuals who engage in financial planning are more likely to achieve their financial goals and have greater financial security than those who do not. By taking a systematic and proactive approach to financial planning, individuals can build wealth, manage their expenses, and secure their financial future. The basics of financial planning. Financial planning is a process of creating a roadmap to achieve your financial goals by managing your money and resources effectively. The basics of financial planning involve the following steps. Assess your current financial situation. This involves evaluating your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial standing before you start planning for your future financial goals. Set specific financial goals. The next step is to set clear, achievable, and measurable financial goals. Your goals could be short-term, such as paying off debt, or long-term, such as saving for retirement. Create a plan to achieve your goals. Once you have set your financial goals, you need to create a plan that outlines the steps required to achieve them. This plan should include a budget, which outlines your income and expenses, and a savings plan, which outlines how much you need to save each month to achieve your goals. Manage your cash flow. Managing your cash flow is essential to ensure that you have enough money to meet your expenses and save for your financial goals. You need to track your expenses, identify areas where you can cut costs, and prioritize your spending. Protect yourself from unexpected events. Unexpected events such as job loss, illness, or accidents can disrupt your financial plan. You need to have insurance to protect yourself from these events. Monitor and adjust your plan. Your financial plan is not static. It needs to be adjusted as your circumstances change. You need to monitor your progress regularly and adjust your plan as needed to ensure that you are on track to achieve your financial goals. By following these basic steps of financial planning, you can create a roadmap to achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. The power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help individuals achieve their financial goals by creating a mental image of what they want to achieve. Visualization involves imagining yourself in a specific situation or scenario, experiencing the feelings, and seeing the outcome in your mind's eye. Visualization is an effective tool for achieving financial success because it can help individuals focus on their goals, overcome obstacles, and stay motivated. Research has shown that visualization can help individuals achieve their goals by activating the same neural pathways in the brain as the actual experience. By visualizing a successful outcome, individuals can reprogram their brains to focus on the positive aspects of achieving their financial goals. There are different visualization techniques that individuals can use to achieve their financial goals. One technique is to create a vision board, which is a collage of images that represent your financial goals. The vision board serves as a daily reminder of what you want to achieve and can help you stay motivated. Another visualization technique is to use affirmations, which are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. Affirmations can help you develop a positive mindset and overcome limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from achieving your financial goals. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help individuals achieve their financial goals. By using visualization techniques, individuals can focus on their goals, overcome obstacles, and stay motivated to achieve their financial dreams. The role of mindset in financial planning. The role of mindset in financial planning is crucial because the way you think about money and finances can greatly impact your ability to achieve your financial goals. Your mindset is your set of beliefs, attitudes, and assumptions about money, wealth, and financial success. Having a positive mindset is essential for successful financial planning because it helps individuals stay motivated, overcome obstacles, and take proactive steps towards their financial goals. A positive mindset involves believing that you can achieve financial success, focusing on the opportunities rather than the limitations, and being open to learning and growing. On the other hand, a negative mindset can hinder financial planning by creating limiting beliefs, focusing on the obstacles rather than the opportunities, and creating fear and anxiety around money. Negative mindset may lead to procrastination, overspending, and a lack of financial planning. It's important to note that mindset can be changed, and individuals can develop a positive mindset towards their finances. This can be done by challenging limiting beliefs, developing a growth mindset, focusing on positive affirmations, and seeking support from financial professionals or a community of like-minded individuals. In conclusion, the role of mindset in financial planning is essential, and individuals should cultivate a positive mindset towards their finances. By doing so, they can overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and achieve their financial goals. The impact of habits on financial success. Habits play a significant role in financial success because they shape our daily behaviors and ultimately determine our financial outcomes. Habits are automatic patterns of behavior that are formed through repetition and reinforcement, and they can be either positive or negative. Positive financial habits, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and avoiding unnecessary expenses, can help individuals achieve financial success by promoting discipline, consistency, and long-term thinking. These habits can lead to financial stability, independence, and security. On the other hand, negative financial habits, such as overspending, borrowing, impulse buying, and procrastination, can hinder financial success by promoting undisciplined behavior, inconsistency, and short-term thinking. These habits can lead to debt, financial stress, and limited financial opportunities. The good news is that habits can be changed, and individuals can develop positive financial habits by consciously practicing them until they become automatic. This involves setting financial goals, creating a plan, and taking action towards those goals consistently. In addition, individuals can also leverage technology, tools, and resources to support their positive financial habits. For example, they can use budgeting apps, automate savings, invest in retirement accounts, and seek professional financial advice. In conclusion, habits play a critical role in financial success, and individuals should develop positive financial habits to achieve their financial goals. By doing so, they can create long-term financial stability, independence, and security. The power of accountability. The power of accountability is an important aspect of financial planning, as it can help individuals stay on track towards their financial goals. Accountability refers to the process of being responsible and answerable for one's actions and decisions. In the context of financial planning, accountability involves setting goals, tracking progress, and being accountable to oneself or others for achieving those goals. This can be done by working with a financial advisor, joining a financial planning group, or finding an accountability partner. An accountability partner can be a friend, family member, or colleague who is also working towards their financial goals. By sharing goals, progress, and challenges with each other, individuals can provide support, motivation, and feedback to help each other stay on track. Another way to create accountability is to track progress towards financial goals. This can involve creating a budget, monitoring spending, and regularly reviewing financial statements. By regularly reviewing progress, individuals can identify areas for improvement and adjust their financial plan accordingly. The power of accountability lies in the fact that it promotes discipline, consistency, and commitment towards financial goals. It also provides a sense of ownership and responsibility for one's financial well-being. This can lead to increased confidence, financial security, and peace of mind. In conclusion, the power of accountability is an essential component of financial planning. By setting goals, tracking progress, and being accountable to oneself or others, individuals can stay on track towards achieving their financial goals and ultimately create the financial future they desire. Real-life examples of individuals who have successfully used the power of planning for financial success theory. There are many examples of individuals who have successfully used the power of planning for financial success theory to achieve their financial goals. Here are a few examples. Warren Buffett. Buffett is one of the world's most successful investors, and his success is largely attributed to his disciplined approach to financial planning. He sets specific financial goals, creates a plan to achieve them, and regularly reviews and adjusts his strategy as needed. Dave Ramsey. Ramsey is a financial author and radio host who is known for his popular personal finance program, The Total Money Makeover. He teaches individuals to create a budget, pay off debt, and save for the future using a step-by-step approach. Suze Orman. Orman is a financial expert and author who focuses on helping individuals achieve financial security and independence. She emphasizes the importance of setting financial goals, creating a plan, and staying committed to the plan over the long term. Jen Chotsky. Chotsky is a financial journalist and author who has written numerous books on personal finance. She emphasizes the importance of creating a financial plan that takes into account short-term and long-term goals, as well as unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. John Paul DeJoria. DeJoria is a billionaire entrepreneur who co-founded the Paul Mitchell Hair Care Company. He attributes his success to his disciplined approach to financial planning, which includes setting specific financial goals, investing in diversified assets, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. These individuals serve as examples of how the power of planning for financial success theory can be used to achieve financial success. By setting goals, creating a plan, and staying committed to that plan over the long term, anyone can achieve their financial goals and create the financial future they desire. Tips for putting the theory into practice and achieving financial success. Here are some tips for putting the power of planning for financial success theory into practice and achieving financial success. Set specific financial goals. Identify what you want to achieve financially and set specific, measurable goals for achieving those objectives. This could include goals such as paying off debt, saving for retirement, or building an emergency fund. Create a plan. Develop a financial plan that outlines the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. This could include creating a budget, reducing expenses, increasing income, or investing in diversified assets. Prioritize savings. Make saving a priority by automating your savings and setting aside a percentage of your income each month. Consider using a high-yield savings account or investing in retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Monitor your progress. Regularly monitor your progress towards your financial goals and adjust your plan as needed. This could involve tracking your expenses, reviewing your investment portfolio, or analyzing your debt repayment strategy. Seek professional advice. Consider working with a financial advisor or other financial professional to help you create and implement a financial plan that aligns with your goals. Stay disciplined. Stay committed to your financial plan and remain disciplined even when faced with unexpected expenses or setbacks. This could involve developing positive financial habits, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and maintaining a long-term perspective. By putting these tips into practice, you can harness the power of planning for financial success theory and achieve your financial goals. Remember, financial success doesn't happen overnight, but with a clear plan, discipline, and consistency, you can create the financial future you desire. Conclusion and final thoughts on the power of planning for financial success theory. In conclusion, the power of planning for financial success theory is a powerful tool that anyone can use to achieve financial security and independence. By setting specific financial goals, creating a plan, and staying committed to that plan over the long term, individuals can take control of their financial future and create the financial life they desire. The theory emphasizes the importance of visualization, mindset, habits, and accountability in achieving financial success. It also highlights the role of professional advice and the importance of staying disciplined and committed to your financial plan, even in the face of unexpected setbacks. Ultimately, the power of planning for financial success theory is a blueprint for creating financial security and independence. By putting this theory into practice, you can take control of your financial future and achieve the financial goals that matter most to you. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. So stay committed to your plan, remain disciplined, and enjoy the journey towards financial freedom. If you found this video on the power of planning for financial success theory informative and useful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance, investing, and wealth management. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos, and you'll have access to a wealth of knowledge and insights to help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.